The MLA of the two Jowai constituencies, Wailat Miki Shilla, on the 5th of September 2020, handed over a new ambulance to the officials of the Khliehtyrchi Primary Health Centre, which was sponsored by the Chief Minister's Relief Fund, at an event expressing his gratitude to the Honourable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, for endeavouring to provide ambulance to various healthcare centres in the state. The programme, chaired by Dr. Sakahika Dakar, the medical officer of the Primary Health Centre, was attended by Mr. Lakhon Dakar, MDC of the area, Mr. Saran Paswet, MDC Jowai South, Mr. Brightstar Chermang, MDC Jowai North, Mr. Ailat Bhoy, MDC Mukhla, Mr. Okto Mewat Lamin, nominated MDC, the DMNHO of West Jant Hills District, Dr. K.C. Ajar, Mr. Kitbok Rambai, an elder of the village, beside others. Mr. Shilla, in his address, assured the people present that the needs of the area there would be addressed accordingly in the future. The Primary Health Centre was inaugurated in 2002 and it serves a population of more than 20,000 people coming from 19 different villages. After 18 years of services to the people of the area, it is only now receiving its own dedicated ambulance. According to Mr. Lakhon Dakar, MDC of the area, who narrated the history of the Primary Health Centre, it began as a sub-centre following a memorandum signed between the Village Council and the Department of Health in 1986. In 1997, another memorandum was signed to upgrade it to the status of a Primary Health Centre, which was realised in 2002. The Primary Health Centre was inaugurated by Mr. Singh Mule, the then Minister of Science and Technology.